This morning I was greeted with some warning emails. First, this one at 2:31 a.m. telling me that a client computer backup contains errors that must be resolved. So that's not a good sign, and backups will not work until I fix it. And then my usual 9 a.m. report that I have sent to me every day automatically, where it includes that nasty warning right there. So I need to deal with it. So I'm going to take a swipe at fixing it now. Let's see how it goes. So on the Windows Server 2012 remote desktop connection I have going here, I'm starting up the dashboard. And I'm curious if it'll be evident what to do in this circumstance. Okay, big red X in the upper right. And it's walking me through what to do. Open the dashboard, click on Devices, click on Customize Computer Backup and File History Settings, click on Tools, and click on Repair Now. It can take several hours. Gives me a warning. Lets me read a little bit about it if I'd like. Okay, a little bit of backstory, that's good. And now it's running. So we'll have to see how it looks when it's done. I'm going to minimize those two windows, which we're done looking at for now. I'm going to let it sit like that. I'm also going to hit Windows plus W and type in Task Scheduler and hit Enter. And let's just have a look at the job that it's kicked off. So if we open up Microsoft Windows Server section, okay, it's none of these. I was kind of expecting it to be one of those, but it's not. Cleanup, for instance, was run successfully yesterday after some warnings I was getting that it hadn't run in 14 days. So that's kind of interesting. But anyhow, I'm not sure what backup database job it's running. We can have a look at Task Manager. See if it jumps out at us as far as what's really going on under the covers here. Who's using the CPU? This job. WSS backup repair.exe is using 22% CPU. Now we can open up Resource Monitor and do an even deeper dive if we'd like. First of all, we got CPUs. Apparently I've given this VM 6 cores. Wow. And it is obviously multi-threaded, whatever it's doing. It's spreading the load among multiple, 4 cores, CPU cores. And 90 megabytes per second. So yeah, the hard drive is being hit pretty good right now. And there you can see it's already read 1/10 of a gigabyte. So it's sifting through some giant files as it does its magic to repair my database. I'm going to go ahead and pause this video and check in on it and see how it goes in a few hours. Here I am 24 hours later. Well, I don't know, 10 minutes short of 24 hours later. It did finish. So we've got this task here of the client backup completed. I did check in on it at about 12 hours. It wasn't done yet. So overnight it seems to have finished. It's obviously good. Let's see, when do we have a way of knowing when it finished? Guess not. If we look at the event log, we might be able to see that. But let's see if it's just all good news. Yes, so all my backups were preserved. So it completed. It doesn't say what time it completed right there. That'd be kind of nifty, wouldn't it? If we go to my reports, okay, so we're back to normal stuff. Not sure what that's about, but anyhow, nothing serious. So it's good. We're back in action. Let's see if any interesting. Nope, nothing interesting there. Guess the last thing to look at would be hit Windows plus X and go to Event Viewer. Head on over to Event Logs, System section, or Application. Let's see if it gives us a clue. Application. Nah, that'd be too easy. Well, it's all right. It did finish. I'm back in action. Backups can resume. Actually, let's see if they finished last night. So today's the 13th. No backup since the 11th. So I missed the backup window. So it was busy much of the night. It wasn't done by 1 a.m. When the backups start. So apparently they just didn't back up at all. There's an exception. 6:38 a.m. Okay. All right. So one machine did get backed up, and then the backup window closed at 8 a.m. Okay. So that's the end of this look at the backups repair process on Windows Server 2012 Essentials. Thank you for watching.